Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving friend requests on the PlayStation 5 so you can completely turn off this setting. So we can go to our profile right here, go to profile, go all the way to the right and go to privacy settings. Then going down and there's an option now to specifically turn off who can ask to be your friend. So we have it set to anyone right now. So we can go to no one and this will turn it off. Otherwise, just go to friends of friends. So set it to no one and then they won't be able to send you a friend request at all. You won't get that pop-up notification now. That's annoying. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.